Hello and welcome to another episode of 5 Point Digital Health by HI Rapid Lab, Public Health Foundation of India and the American Leprosy Missions. Please read the disclaimer carefully and then watch the video. We have developed a mobile application for digital at-home artificial intelligence enabled real-time appropriate interventions for WASH, leprosy and lymphatic filariasis, DARA WL2 in short. In this video episode, we will answer 5 questions on DARA. What is DARA? Why did we develop DARA? How does it work and how is this better? Where is this being used and what is next? So what is DARA WL2? It's a smartphone-based modular application that enables trained grassroots health workers to screen for 1. Socio-demographics and economics, 2. Water sanitation and hygiene, 3. Nutrition, 4. Disability and 5. Disease signs and symptoms of leprosy and lymphatic filariasis. After screening, the application in real time generates 3 outputs: 1. Risk profile of the household, 2. Disability and disease grade of the people affected, and 3. A custom list of appropriate at-home first-line management for WASH, leprosy and lymphatic filariasis. This guides the grassroots healthcare worker to start interventions in real time at the person's home. Next question is, why did we develop DARA? Well, leprosy and lymphatic filariasis are classified as NTDs, neglected tropical diseases. They are neglected because they generally affect the world's poor, and although they are infectious diseases, leprosy and lymphatic filariasis mimic chronic conditions requiring long-term, almost lifelong care, which is simply beyond the means of the poor suffering people. We designed and developed DARA to guide grassroots healthcare workers to reliably screen and provide relevant home-based morbidity management and disability prevention (MMDP) services effectively, efficiently, equitably and sustainably. So the next question, how does it work and how is this better? DARA was designed with 3 objectives: 1. To simplify screening, 2. To amplify data collection, and 3. To exemplify service provision. We have built several innovations into DARA to achieve these objectives. Simplification of screening is achieved by icon-based, language-neutral user interface and image-based signs and symptom screening. Amplification of data collection is achieved by GPS and metadata tagging, and exemplified service provision is achieved by intelligent algorithms that analyze data and provide real-time intervention lists. DARA is better than existing paper-based analog or even digital methods because it is comprehensive with 5 verticals in one platform. DARA is better because it is faster with icons and images used for screening, and because it is reliable with GPS tags. The real benefit, according to us, is that DARA enhances the confidence of trained grassroots healthcare workers from local communities by providing them the necessary skills and intelligence to provide a continuum of care where it is needed and when it is needed. Where is DARA being used? DARA is being used in a pilot study project by 12 Telangana government health systems frontline health workers in Nirmal district to provide home-based care for leprosy and lymphatic filariasis. In Samastipur district, Bihar state, 130 trained local women are using DARA in a large pilot study to screen about 350,000 people in 67,000 households. We followed a detailed and expansive onboarding process to identify and train the grassroots level healthcare workers who we termed as CRPs or community resource professionals. We evaluated them for basic literacy, trained and evaluated them for digital literacy. As the next step, we downloaded our DARA application onto dedicated smartphones for their use. We explained the meaning of each and every icon to the CRPs and trained them on how to use the DARA app. We also developed a standard operating protocol on how to take each and every photo and what features need to be covered. What next for DARA? We think this is just the beginning and we have built a working modular core. We are considering expanding DARA with vertical and horizontal expansion modules. Vertical expansion will be adding health promotion, surveillance, diagnostics, treatment and follow-up modules, and horizontal expansion would be adding more diseases. This video script will be made available on websites www.daraonline.com and www.hirapidlab.com with new references. Please visit them for further information. Thank you for watching this episode.